And boom, here we go. So this is a video that will show you the Yanapa, what you should be on the lookout for, and what's here, what's to be shown. This is Hokkaido. This actually has vegan options if you talk with them. So as a vegan, we found great stuff over there. You just have to be a bit more talkative. Now, what is happening? Like this is yes, Mavris. This is one of the streets that you actually have the most bars in a Yanaba, which I definitely don't recommend unless you're looking for something like that. And this is a wide, let's say, air photo of what you're going to be seeing. This is the main street, and you can see the Luna Park, which it is nice. It was quite expensive, but it was nice. And this is where you can find this a place to cycle. This is the easiest way to cycle through Yanaba, and in most places it's enough. This is the port and a small church. It's actually a pretty crowded area. This is pretty late at night, so yeah, it's not as much. What you should be expecting of Cyprus, well, it's very hot and humid, but you can actually get used to it, which at times it's not pleasant, but yeah, it is what it is. This is one of the streets that it's actually pretty crowded as well. You can find some clubs, you can find some restaurants. Again, this leads to the Yanapa Square, and you can see it now at this time. Not too many people walk. Again, it's pretty late, but at the same time, you can take a clear idea of how is it going to be. Is it a nice place to visit? Definitely. Do you need too much time to visit that place? I would say not too much. I would say like maybe a week would be enough. If you're staying in a Yanapa, well, I would say probably less, but you do make a trip with an airplane. Again, the Luna Park, we actually didn't visit it, but we did see that it had some nice additions. Like the train has a nice loop. You have the slingshot, like the two towers with almost rainbow colors. I mean, it was nice. Oh, it's actually having the washing machine that was pretty nice. But yeah, I've seen some videos of accidents happening. I'm like, okay, nope. So I went by and didn't actually do it, but I think we visited. I think we visited this one, but we didn't do the bigger um, the bigger games, if you can call them games. Now, this is again the port. This is a very nice place to see the sunset. Obviously, this is in the right side of the screen. This is again the church. You have the second cup on the left. This is a very nice places to walk around, to pick up a coffee or a vegan latte and just have a nice stroll. By the way, this is the place that they have taverns, but they mostly have what's called meze and fish, which is not something that we want. Very nice hotel with a view. So yeah, we just never visited any of those. The funny thing is they feed those fish, man, and they feed those fish with what they're eating at the moment, and sometimes they're eating fish. Like the controversy there is outside of this world. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was short and sweet. I'm gonna be doing more videos of this sort, and sharing my opinions, my thoughts and emotions. I've been living in Ayanapa for a year. Obviously I'm back in Greece now, but I was living in Cyprus for 3 years. So one of them was specifically devoted to Ayanapa. I was servicing tables and making quite a few. If you would ask me, it was a lot better than Greece. So questions below, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Cheers.